To score 300 and above in your JAMB examination, head to our website educateafricans.com. This is the website. This is where you can see lectures that will help you to score 300 and above in your JAMB. Many students have used this our website and it helped them a lot in studying for their JAMB. So once you get to the website, you can see the courses, you can see past questions. So these are past questions. You can see English JAMB past questions. You can use this to prepare. It's very, very explicit. It's a video lecture that explains the past questions, question after question, the way you understand, covering the curriculums. Now, if these are past questions, and if you scroll down, you're going to see actual lectures that follows the JAMB curriculum to teach you what you need according to the syllabus for you to pass and score 300 and above in your JAMB. So this is literature in English. This is government. They have lectures for IELTS as well. So you can just scroll down and you see the lectures. So if you scroll down and you click on view all courses, you will now see the rest of the other courses. So you can see. So when you scroll down, you can see this is economics lectures. This is English lectures. We have also lectures for computer science and programming. This is mathematics. This is biology. This is physics. So you can click on next page in order for you to continue. So once you click on any of these lectures, it will prompt you to register as a student so that you can now start having lectures. So if you want to register as a student, you can see this very place, student registration. You click on it and register as a student so that it will not prompt you to register again if you want to have any of the courses. If you're a teacher also and you want to teach and upload to this our website, you can click on instructor registration and register. If you want to see all the courses, click on this all courses. You can see all courses here so that you can see all the subjects that you need to prepare for. So any of them that you want, let's say I want this past question, I can click on it. It will prompt me to enroll. So this is where it's prompting you to enroll, where you have to register. That is if you've not registered on this student registration. You click on the enroll, you register. If you've registered before, you need to log in. You just put your username and password. So note the username and password that you're using, because for you to enroll, you need to register. Or if you've not registered before, you click on this register and it will still lead you back to this student registration for you to register. So once you're registered, you can always come back and have your classes. So this is the best website for you to score very high in JAMB. We're also on Android Play Store. You can simply go to if you're using your phone, download our app for our CBT app so that you can practice and get the right score, 300 and above. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. If you want personal tutoring, if you want me to teach you and coach you for your JAMB, you can also chat me up on my phone number. My phone number is +234 70 671 626 98. I'll drop it in the comment section as well. The phone number is, if you're in Nigeria, you can just simply dial 070 671 626 98. And if you're calling from abroad, you can call +234 70 671 626 98. So this is the home for learning. Once you're in Africa, you're in Nigeria, you can always learn for your JAMB and for your WAEC here. You can also practice, see lectures for programming and IELTS and other things that you need to learn if you're an African student. So thank you. Start your preparation immediately. You can also hook up to our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is Tclassified.com, so that you can be able to have your classes from there. So you can just simply go to YouTube and type in the search Tclassified.com. So that is our YouTube channel. Once you click, you will see this is the YouTube channel here, Tclassified. You can see lectures. We have chemistry lectures. You can see once you click on the channel itself, so that you can be able to see all the lectures. If you click on videos, you will see all the lectures that you need for you to prepare for your JAMB and get very high score. So that is what you need. You can also get programming lectures on them as well. Okay, so if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. You can see you can also link back to the website from the YouTube channel. Thank you.